Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's me, Ella, and I'm with Sammy.
Hey.
So today we're on Roblox and we're on Bloxburg, and we're going to be doing a roleplay for you guys today. This is the little kitchen we're in. And we're eating hot dogs.
Yeah, so let's begin.
Nom 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 nom.
Sis,
Yeah.
you know how we've got a load of space in our house?
Yeah.
Why don't we look at a few houses and maybe
See which ones are up for sale. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, okay, let's go. Can I have a cup of tea before we go? Coffee.
Yeah, I'm having a coffee as well. Where's the coffee machine?
We didn't get it out.
Where's the coffee machine?
We didn't get one out.
Never mind.
We're gonna have to buy one in the next house.
Yeah, okay.
Come on then. This
Let's
girl
go
was
down and
stalking us earlier.
What are you doing? The car's right here. Oh my god.
Guys, so we're gonna listen to some music in the car.
Yeah, let's put some music on and let's go.
Hold on, let me turn up the music.
Oh, this is gonna be so fun.
I'm talking to you.
Come on, it's
Have a look around.
Pardon?
Well, this one's up for sale.
Yeah, that one looks so nice as well.
Yeah, well, let's keep looking. This one's up for sale.
Yeah, but that one's kind of bad.
Yeah. Oh! That one is not for sale. This one's up for sale.
I really like that one.
Neither do I. So far, I like that other one.
Yeah, me too.
This one's up for sale. I think it's
No,
a bit...
it's not, sis. It says just sold.
No, it's up for sale. It's just a bit too much.
Yeah, I mean, we are moving to a small house, so that one's nice, but I didn't think that. No, it's not for sale.
It's up for sale. It's just... No, it's just a bit too big. We want like a mid-size.
Sis, why don't we just get that one over there? That's too nice.
Let's keep looking, okay? Do you want to get a drink first?
Yeah. Why does it always do that?
I don't know.
Like, sis, no offense, but you're bad at driving.
Oh, I'm better than you. You can't even drive. You haven't
I
even
can.
No, you can't. You haven't even done your driving lesson.
True.
So don't say that I'm bad at driving, because you crashed 3 times.
Hey!
Too exposed.
You don't have to tell anyone that. I told you not to.
I'm sorry. Okay, right. Let's go have a look at the other side now. Maybe it's a bit too rainy for ice cream, but I mean, you can have some if you want.
No, I don't want ice cream. You know I don't like ice cream when it's raining.
Neither. I mean, it's a bit too cold.
Yeah.
Well, let's have a look this way. Ew!
No, who even thought to build houses like that? Oh,
Not me.
ew.
Ew, that's even worse.
That one over there looks okay. Actually, no, that's not really help. Let's
Yeah.
go back and buy the other one.
Okay, well, it's down to 2. It's about the burgundy one and the brown one.
I think the brick house.
Yeah, me too.
Let's go buy that one.
Okay, but let's first start work. Tomorrow we've got to get a hairstyle and everything. New house,
Yep.
new us. Mm-hmm.
Sis, I'm gonna go pay, okay?
No, it's alright. I will.
No, I'm paying. I'm paying. Okay, let me go pay. Sis! Hi, hello, we would like to buy the house down the road. Sis, get your car out. I'm sorry about her, she's very annoying. So, we're just gonna take it, yeah? Yeah, stop. Oh, okay, here you go.
Pass me,
Okay.
pass me the keys. Thanks. Okay, come on then. Hey! Sorry for running you over. Turns left. Oh, I'm sad to leave our old house. Oh, yay, we're here!
This one looks so nice. Oh, new house. Let's go.
I can actually. I really want a balcony.
Yeah, there's one right here.
Can I have that room?
No, let me see. Let's see. Come on then, open it.
Wait, be right back, guys. Guys, we are back. Yay! So we're in our new home now. So let's go in.
Oh my god, sis, look at this. It's amazing. Oh, I love the kitchen. It's so nice and cozy.
Oh my god, this is so better than our other house. Like, so
Oh my god,
much.
bathroom.
Bagsy pink room.
No, I love pink.
I do too.
These paintings in here are horrible.
We'll take it in turns sharing rooms.
No, that's gross.
Well, I'm having pink.
So mean.
Just to let you know, you can change the ideas. Or the painting.
Night, sis.
Night.
Hello?
Yeah.
Have you stopped recording?
So, I mean, I swapped them over. I didn't like the other pictures. I mean, I have a balcony now. It's raining. Let me get inside. I think I'm going to have a night snack and drink.
Sis, what are you doing?
Having my night snack and drink, like we always
These
do.
are for the morning. These are breakfast for the morning.
Okay. Well, I just need a coffee
You do.
and
I'm
my.
gonna get a bag of chips or an apple. Just an apple. Okay.
Can I have an
Night,
apple?
sis.
Can I have an apple?
Yeah, of course you can.
Thanks, Jess. We always have to have night snacks. I'm gonna go to the loo and have a shower. Don't forget, sis, we got work tomorrow. Okay. Sis, don't come in. I'm having the loo.
I won't.
I doubt that. You've already came in me twice already. Before. Don't forget to brush your teeth.
Okay.
Just brushing my teeth. Sis, you can have a go now.
No, I'm doing it in the morning.
Ew, you're disgusting.
I've already done it, sis.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have.
You never have a shower before night
I
time.
saw this morning.
Night. Oh god, I'm stuck. Ah, I'm stuck. Night, sis.
Night.
Whose room am I going into? I'm confused.
Oh, it's yours.
So, see you in a bit, guys, when I wake up. So, morning, guys. So, I better wake up my sister for breakfast.
Wait a second. Wait, sis. You're awake already?
Yeah.
I'm just doing something.
I just got changed.
I'm getting changed now.
Well, I'm about to get changed. So, guys, I'll see you in a second when I've got changed. Knox. Sis, are you ready yet?
Yeah.
Come on then, let's go eat breakfast.
Okay, I stink, so I need to shower first.
Okay.
Don't start eating without me.
I'm gonna watch some TV while I wait.
Okay.
Hurry up there, sis, because our breakfast is getting cold. I've just made it.
I've made breakfast. Oh yeah, that was from yesterday. I'm stupid.
I made new breakfast while you was getting changed. See?
Oh yeah.
Let's start eating.
What the hell? Sis, this is really nice.
Yeah, I know. So guys, we'll be back when we've done eating.
Yeah.
So we've just ate and watched a bit of TV, and now we're
We're
leaving.
going to work.
Yeah.
Let's go back to work. What the hell is going on with the
What is going on?
Oh, good guys.
So guys, where do you work? You get the
I
twice.
work at the dentist place.
Oh, just letting you know, you should move to work at the pizza delivery because you get £1,000 per 2 people.
Actually, yes. I'm gonna get a new job today.
Okay, guys. So she's getting a new job, and I work where she works. Well, she works where I work. By the way, just to let you know, you do get £1,000 per 2 people.
Okay, remember, sis, I'm driving home today.
No, because you can't have your driving license.
I'll probably get it another day, but at least,
Because don't forget that I've got to take you to your course today.
Sis, motorbikes are easy.
Yeah, well, at least you can ride motorbikes. It's cars that you're bad with.
And,
Just to let you know, you get £1,000 per 2 people, but also you get an extra.
I'll work £1 billion.
No, but you get an extra £500 if it's really far away.
Oh, it's horrible today.
It's disgraceful. Oh, do you know what? I've got a hat on.
So lucky.
Yours thick, mine's thin.
I might dye my hair tonight, by the way, sis.
Me too. What is your natural hair?
My natural hair is blonde, sis.
No, it's brown.
No, it's not. It's blonde.
Okay, what colour are you dyeing your hair? Black?
Brown.
Why not dye it black?
Maybe.
Because I'm having black. Guys, I'll be right back in a minute.